Good morning, students. My name is Srima Jeevan. I am dealing community health nursing. So we are starting the unit number 6.1, the family health care setting and home visit. So these are the content is there. So first one is a purpose, principles of home visit and how we can able to go for planning and evaluating the home visit. And C section is the back technique. Then fourth one is clinic. We are going for the purpose and what are the types of clinics and their functions and all, and functions of health personnel in that clinic. Okay. So in this unit, we'll be going for starting with the what is home visit and all. So in a community, it's a backbone of our community's home visit. So as we, the community health nurse, so what are the main function is there means first of all, you should go towards the houses. Okay, so each home you should go for visiting and collect all the content or the data from the particular visit and all, and after that one we are giving the healthcare services. So what is the main backbone of our community health nursing means home visit. Okay, so as a community health nurse we should go for visiting the home, each houses and all, and collect all the details or collect all the health history about their health situations and environmental situation, everything you should go for collect all the data, and we can able to, as per the data, we can able to give the appropriate healthcare services to those peoples. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So the home visit we'll go for learning today is definition, purpose, principles, steps of home visit we'll be learning. So first of all, we'll see what are the introduction about the home visit. So a home visit is one of the essential part of the community health services because most of the people are found in home. Okay, so we are seeing, okay, so when you're seeing, you can able to go for seeing most of the people are living in the home side or the flat side, and also you can able to go for visiting those peoples for taking collection of all the data from those papers. So home visit is a fulfilling the needs of the individual, family and the community in a general or a nursing services and health counseling. So once you are knowing, okay, those people are living in the home, so we can, as a nurse, we can visit the particular home and collect all the histories, and we can give the services and we can give the health counseling also to those people whoever needs the particular services. Third one is a home visit is considered as the backbone of community health services. So as I have told, once you are going inside the community, that is in from the home visit itself, okay, so then only you can able to understand or identify what are the needs of the persons or the needs of the peoples or environmental status on history of health. So everything we can able to understand or identify with the help of once a nurse is visiting towards the home. Okay, so that's why we are calling as a backbone of the community health services is home visit. Then fourth one is a home visit is a family or a family nurse contact with allows the health worker to assess the home, okay, then family situation in order to provide the necessary nursing care services and the related activities. So once it's a one of the relations. So once the nurse is going for visiting a home, so there is a relation between a family. So it helps for the relation between a family and a nurse. Okay, so once they are making a communication with those people, so we can able to understand. So what are the needs of the person or individual or a family or a community wise, and what are the nursing cares we can able to give. Okay, so that's the introduction part for the home visit. So next one is the definition. So definition of the home visit. A home visit is defined as the process of providing the nursing care to the patient at their doorstep. Okay, so defined as it's a process of giving nursing care services to the patient or family members in the doorstep. We are calling as a home visit. So what it requires means it requires technical skills, resource should be there, and the judgment relationship. So as the nursing care, who has came for the home visit? So nurse, community health nurse, or a healthcare service people or personals, they are coming for visiting home to with the help of the technical skills. Okay, so with their own because if one of the person is having any health issues related towards heart related, or a person is having diabetes mellitus, so what you will do with the help of our equipments, we will be going for seeing with the help of our procedure steps. We are going to see the what about the BP of the patient, what about the diabetic sugar, blood sugar levels, and also we will be having sometimes resources also will be there. At last we'll be judging, okay, the person is having this much of sugar or this much of BP is there towards a particular patient. Okay, so while communicating itself, we should making one a good rapport between the family members and the nurse. Then we can give a appropriate health education as well as the counseling we can able to give as per the need of the patient or a family. Okay, so it has defined as a providing the services to the family at their doorstep to maintain the health and reduce the mortality and morbidity in their family. Okay, so once you are moving in front of their home or a doorstep, so once they are welcoming us, then we are seeing, collecting the data, we are seeing the health status of the people with the help of our monitors and all. Then what they will be thinking, okay, so they will be communicating in a good way. And once we are identifying the early diagnosis of a diseases with the help of our devices, and with the help of history collections and all, so they can able to go for reducing the mortality and morbidity rate, that is disease rate and the death rate, they can able to reduce. Okay, and we will be giving the health guidance and our counselings as well as the health teachings. We'll see the purpose of home visit: to find out the needs of the individuals, the family, and the community in relation to the health or a socio-economic and cultural aspect. So, with the help of the home visit, we can able to understand what about the current economic status of the peoples, then how they are taking the health in a good way, or in a according to their socio-economic status only they will be living. So, we can able to find out with the help of the home visit. Second one is to provide the domiciliary midwifery as care of pregnant ladies, delivery time, and preparing mother and the infant. So once you are visiting, so as a gynec nurse is visiting towards a particular locality, that is midwifery nurse is going for visiting in a antenatal care we can give, that is pregnant lady care we can give, then delivery care also we can give, and prepare, that is after the delivery also we can give the care towards. After the delivery means we can give the mother care to the mother as well as care to the baby also. Okay, so it's also one of the purposes towards the home visit. Then third one is to give care to the sick or a postpartum mother and her newborn, with view in teaching about the responsibility of the family members to give the subsequent care. So as we the midwifery nurse, we can give the appropriate care towards the postnatal mother, that is after the delivery we will be calling as a postnatal mother. So we can give the operation, after the operation, that is cesarean section mother care also we can give, the normal delivery mother care also we can give, and both the section the baby will be there, so we can give the newborn cares also. Okay, so then we can able to tell towards the family members how they can care the baby as well as the mother. Okay, the next one is to assess the living condition of the patient and his family and their health practices in order to provide the appropriate health teaching. So we can able to assess what about the current status of a patient in their family, then what are the health practices what they are currently using. Okay, whether it is satisfactory or not. Okay, so all those things we can able to understand. Then next one is to provide the basic health services to minor elements. So if it is in the small cases like so any small wound or a small burns is there, because while they are cooking maybe some small burns will be there, so aberrations and all will be there, so we can able to give the treatment. Then we can give the health education how they can able to treat it as immediately as possible. Then next one is to provide the counseling on the family planning, immunization and nutrition. So as per the family planning, so in order to go for reducing the populations, we are giving the method is family planning method. Then we can give the health education or a counseling regarding the immunizations. So for the pregnant ladies means we can give the immunization as a TT1 and TT2 dose, and we can give. So when they have to go for taking the dose, and for the babies they will be giving one immunization schedule. The national immunization schedule book will be there. So as per that one they will go for the immunization. Okay, so all those things we can able to guide the peoples or give the counseling regarding the things. And nutrition, so especially for the pregnant ladies, then after the delivery, and for the babies, and for the old ages and adult people, what are the nutritional needs are there for daily recommended elements, we can able to teach those peoples regarding the nutrition status. Then next one is to give the health teaching regarding the prevention and control of diseases. So already in the last unit we has learned about the communicable disease, how we can able to prevent and control the diseases and all. Okay, so we can, so as the community health nurse, we can able to guide those peoples and give the health education regarding the any of the prevention of communicable diseases and controlling the diseases. Okay, so now at present COVID-19 condition was there, so you all know with the help of the medias as well as the health team members, they are giving the prevention, the vaccination, the prevention one. Then how you are controlling the condition means, current situation means we are wearing the mask, using the hand sanitizer, wearing the gloves, gown and all. Okay, then next one is to establish a close relation between the nurse and the public for a promotion of health. So they will be maintaining one rapport between the community people, so to know about the health situation, how welfareness about the health situation, and promote the health of the community peoples. Then next one is to make use of inter referral system and to promote the utilization of community services. So they are maintaining some of the inner relationship between the family members and all. So why? Because to know about each and every health status, current health status of the families, they should maintain, and they should understand, they should record in the particular record books, or a documentation should be there, and with the help of that one they can able to give the healthcare services and to for the promotion of the community healthcare services. So that's about the purpose. So mainly it is there for the needs, as per the needs of the patient we are giving the nursing care services, and we are giving the health education or health counselings and all according to that one. The peoples, they can able to lead their life, healthy lifestyle. The next topic is principles of home visit. So when carrying out the home visit, the community health nurse should follow the certain basic principles. So once we are a community, so we are working in a primary health center or a community health center, so we become a nurse in the particular community, so we should maintain some of the principles once you are visiting the home and all. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So the home visit would have a some objectives should be there, and the purpose should be there. So main objective is to understand the needs and solve their problems. Okay, so you should know the purpose as well as the objective. Then home visit should be planned according to the priority, so as per the needs of the persons. Okay, so as per the locality wise we should give the priority towards the home visit. Okay, which one is the more endemic area, so those people need more care, so as per that one we should move towards the particular home visit. The next one, purpose of the home visit should be clear, regular and flexible according to the need of the family. So once you are knowing about the purpose of the visit, so what will be the purpose means, it should be in a clear one and regular, flexible according to the need of the family. Then first of all, introduce yourself once you are visiting a home. Okay, so what you have to go for doing means, you should introduce yourself. So I am a community health nurse, so I am from this institution. So maybe as you are coming from the primary health center, in which locality you should go for telling. So what is the purpose of your visit? So I has came for collecting the data and to understand about the what about the health status of the peoples. Okay, so you should tell them what are the purpose of the home visit. Then you should collect the particular data from the individual wise as well as the family and their environments. Okay, so first of all, when you are visiting a home visit, so before itself you should know what is the principle, what is the purpose, what is the objective, what is home visit and all. After that one, when you are visiting, so as per the priority wise, so where is a pandemic area, so you should go for giving particular area the more concentration first of all. So when you are visiting a home visit, so first of all, what you have to tell me is you will be introducing yourself. So my name is this one. So I am a community health nurse. So I am coming from primary health center or community health center or a clinic. So which locality also you should tell. Okay. So what is the purpose means you can able tell us for the collection of data, for the health record purpose and all. We are came here to understand about not only your health members, you should go for seeing the health of the environment also. We are collecting all those things we are telling. Okay, then establishing a good interpersonal relation with the family and be polite, encourage and friendly. So when you are visiting a home, so you should be, as a nurse, you should maintain your dignity and maintain your good relationship between the family members. Okay, so each and every communication should be in a polite way. Then next one, carefully listen the family and understand their person views. Okay, so once you are asking any question, okay, in between, so ask the question, so they will be telling, okay, so in detail they will be telling all their problems and all, and you should understand one by one, listening and understanding. Then health education, nursing care should be scientific. So once you are giving a health education appropriately per the needs of the patient, you should give the scientifically the reason about the particular condition and give the appropriate educations. Then use safe technical skills and scientific nursing procedures and all. Okay, so because if the patient is having diabetic in condition, so as per the condition you should give the health education. So diabetic patient means blood sugar level is high is there, so you are knowing, as being the nurse we should know what is that condition. So what about the health education we can able to give towards the community people. So we will be checking what about the current blood sugar level, so before the food, and that is before the breakfast and after the breakfast we should go for giving a test. And after seeing that one, we can analyze what about the current situation of the patient. So what you will be telling is, so okay, so the patient is having, okay, more than 200 mg per dl, that the mature sugar content is there in their blood, means a blood sugar glucose level is there, means you will be telling, okay, so you should avoid the sugar content and all. Okay, so you will be giving one recommended daily allowance menu plan also. Okay, then involving all family members as much as possible during nursing care. Okay, so how many members in that family, to all the members individually also you should give one questionnaire to those peoples, and you can ask the questions to each and every members. If it is a baby also you can able to ask, okay, their problems also. Okay, then the nurse and the family members must develop a positive interpersonal relation in their work to achieve the present goal. So if they are communicating in a good way, okay, so the peoples also, the community peoples also will be giving the good response to the nurses, and they will maintain one good interpersonal relationship. So once you are maintaining good, so whatever the questions we are asking, okay, nurse is asking, so they are giving the reply in a polite and correct way. Okay, then only we can able to understand what is the current need of the patient or a family members. Okay, according to that one we can able to give the appropriate treatments or a services. Then evaluate your own work periodically. So after each houses you should evaluate whether it is correct or not, whether I am doing in a correct way, so whether it is a appropriate way to go for collecting the data from the particular family. So all the things you should go for analyze yourself in a periodic wise. Then make a note of important fact about the home visit in your diary. So each and every home visit, after each and every home visit or while doing the home visit itself, you should make a record in your diary book. Then so after visiting you should tell about the thank you for the family members and the individual for the good response. So once we after the visit we should tell thanks for the particular family members or individual wise we can able to tell the response is good. So that's about the principles. So before the principles starting itself we should know about the what is home visit, what is a purpose, and what are the objectives of both the home visits and all. So main objective is that we should understand collecting the data as well as providing the appropriate healthcare services as per the need of the peoples. Okay. So once you are visiting yourself, you should introduce yourself, then maintaining the good rapport between those peoples, individual wise, we can able to question those peoples. And once after the visiting and all, we should give a thank you to those peoples in a individual wise for a good response. Next one is steps of home visit. Okay, so what are the steps are there means? So for the home visit, it refers to the meeting the health needs of the peoples at doorstep. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So there are 7 steps are there. First one is fact finding. Okay, so we are finding the appropriate need of the members in the family. Okay, then data finding, so we'll be collecting the data. Then planning action with individuals or family. So once you are keep on giving a good communication, they will be telling their on health issues and all. So according to that one we will be planning and we will take the implementation. So what are the things we can able to give the services towards the peoples. Then action and education, we are implementing and we are giving the health education to the appropriate members in the family. Then we'll give a follow up through about our particular nursing care services, that is we are calling as a evaluation of services. Then explain use of home visit and back. On visiting, back technique we can able to give. So I'll tell you what is back technique and all in the next class. So we'll see the first one, the steps of home visit, the VR facts of finding. So what is the appropriate needs to be find first with the help of the data collection. We'll see one by one. Fact finding. Okay, facts finding are the first step during the first visit in the home site. So it helps to study the clinical and other record to get a understanding of what has to be done, which is given below. Okay, so as per that one we'll go. So prepare a map of an area to be visited. Okay, so I have told you the principle. It says where the priority wise. Okay, so where the need is more, so that area will go for choosing. So after that one, so we'll prepare. So you are knowing where which locality you are going, so before that itself you should prepare one of the map of the particular area to be visited. So you should know what is the location, what is the house, which house you are going to visit, in which road, and whether it is near towards the temple side or any other side. Okay, so maybe as a river side. So all those things you can able to make with the help of in a chart. Okay, prepare a family folder. Okay, so each houses will be having one folder will be there. In that one itself there will be having division, that is member folders will be there. Okay, each members in the family also will be getting the folders in that family folder. Then next one is collect the information about the family members and number of families. So what are the things we will be collecting in the information about the family members means how many members are there in the family, whether they are having the occupation, what about the education, what about the day, what about the date of birth, about each individual, religion, income, past history, present history, and the uses of family planning and the immunization. Okay, these are the things we will be collecting in the family member detail. Then use the technical skills and nursing procedures. So we can able to check the BP, blood sugar level, urine analysis, and the particular thing. Then establish an interpersonal relationship. Be polite and courage and show the interest towards the family. Okay, establish an interpersonal. So when you are going visiting a house, we should maintain a good rapport between the those peoples, and then only be in a polite way, positive manner only you should go for communicate with those peoples. Then it should be in an interested way also. Okay, then identify the needs of the individuals and the family members and discuss the problem with the family members and find out the possible solution to problem solving. Okay, so once you are identified after the collection of the data, somewhat we can able to understand what about the current situation and what about the past histories and all. With the help of that one, we can able to understand what about the needs of the individuals in the family. And once you are knowing the problem, so maximum try to go for solving in the clinical, that is home side itself, because in some conditions, some disease condition or a health status and all, we can't able to solve at the level of in the primary level, so we'll refer towards the higher sections. Maximum try to go for solving in the home side itself. Some meanwhile some conditions and all we can't able to solve in the home side, so for that condition we'll refer towards the higher nursing care services. Second one is data finding. After completing the fact finding, the process is analyzing begins. Analysis begins. So data of the member should be honest. Okay, so whatever the data we are collecting, it should be in a honest way, and based upon the MAC content we are taking the decisions or not. So because most of the things sometimes they will be telling some wrong informations. Okay, should not depend upon the moreoverly the data which was collected from the person. So meanwhile we will go for doing the assessment. Okay, so nurse can able to do the assessment, maybe as a physical examination, the diagnosis and all. So with the help of that one you should can. So from the patient side data collection and from our data collection we can able to conclude and take the opinion about the particular finding. The personal, emotional, spiritual aspect should be involved, which are taken together constant using health problems. So we can able to go for giving the health counselings as in the personal wise, emotional wise, and the spiritual wise, to go for promoting the health of the health of the peoples and solving the health problem. Then problem and fact should show exact problem and what he is expected to do. Okay, so you should know, if you are knowing exact problem only we can able to plan for a nursing care services for the problem, and after planning we can implement the nursing care services, evaluate and make it as a positive evaluation. Okay, then discuss the point step by step and examine the matter critically, then only come to would become a conclusion. Okay, so once you are knowing about the problem, so it should be in a step by step we can able to give the care towards the person to solve the problem, then only we will be. So in a step by step if you are going means we can able to analyze the person in a step by step wise and we can solve the problem. Then do not charm and do not make harshly conversation. So if though the people, so the family members, they are rudely making as a communication, you should not get any provoke. Okay, okay, make it as a calm and quiet environment while you are speaking in a family. Then after that the nurse helps the family to plan and use the local and outside resources. So we can able to encourage the peoples to go for using the home remedies as well as the outside medications. As per the condition only we can able to tell those people to take for the home remedies and all. So next one is planning action with family. Okay, so we are doing for the planning on action with the family. So it is the most important in all our work and relationship, and make a good and realistic objective should be there, and plan how we can doing to achieve a objective. So what is the objective means we should so when you are making a nursing diagnosis, so if the person is having fever, so what is the goal or a objective? So to maintain a normal body temperature. Okay, so fever means more than 100°F. So what happened here means, once what is your goal means you can able to maintain in a good normal body temperature. So what is the nursing care plan will be doing? So maximum go for trying towards reducing the body temperature from the fever side. Okay, first of all, priority wise we will go for giving the care towards the patients. The needs such as hunger, if the person is having hunger means we'll go for giving the basic needs, and then only the personal hygiene, then for the personal hygienic surface and the safe water and the sanitation facilities. Okay, priority wise we should give the more appropriate care will be giving, that is nutrition wise we can give the guidance, and hunger wise then we'll tell about the education regarding the personal hygienes, safe water and sanitation. So the environmental sanitation should be good. Okay, that's why planning a very important, and it should be a based on the condition of the family, then home environment and local resources available in a family in order to be a practicable. So once we are planning in a step by step, okay, then only they can able to make a good rapport between your peoples, that is community health. Then planning should always based upon the short term or a long term objectives. So when you are planning, okay, so it should be in a good aspects with a long term as well as the short term objectives. Okay, within the few step itself it should be recover. Okay, then only they can able to trust you. Okay, we'll be taking a small thing and will within a few steps of the care nursing care services, nursing care services, or by a counseling or education we can able to solve the problem. Is take the first one, because the people have to trust you. Okay, make it trust worth. Then some alternative plans or suggestions also helpful. So once you are giving the nursing care, so sometime the if it is I has told you, if it is a some chronic condition and all, we can't able to solve in a homicide and all, so we can able to refer and give a alternative plan for those peoples, and we can give a reference towards the higher nursing services, and do respect of the individual's ideas, suggestions or solutions. So once you are giving guiding, okay, they will be telling, okay, so shall I do like that? So maybe shall I do this home remedy, I am taking this one, whether I can able to continue. So you can analyze the particular home remedies which they have taken, whether it is good or bad for their condition. So okay, then so as per that one we can able to respect their ideas. Okay, so don't tell, okay, don't take like home remedies and all for this condition, so should not make it as a more sound. Okay, so politely you can able tell, so okay, if they can do means you can able to continue, like in a polite way you can able to tell. So otherwise if they can't do, okay, so you can able to tell, so this is the reason behind this, you can't able to do like taking of some home remedies and all. Okay, so because some of the peoples they can't able to take some remedies because of their chronic disease conditions and all, so you can tell the reason. Okay, in a polite way you can make for understanding the people. Okay, then good planning always lead to doing a good action and achieve object. So once you are planning, so once you are collecting the data in a good way only, you can able to plan for a nursing care services. If you are planning in a good way, you can able to get a good result. Okay, next one, action and health education. After planning, a formal home visit should be done to solve the problem. And on the first visit, community health nurse should introduce herself and explain purpose of the her visit. Okay, so that's the action wise which I has told you in the principle section. Then principle of home visit, then talk should be in a formal way and giving plenty of opportunity to ask questions and provide a platform for discussion. So as with the nurse, we can able to ask so many questions, and the people, so the family members also can able to ask you so many questions regarding about the health as well as the environmental health. Okay, individual health and the environmental sanitation facilities, what are the things we can able to tell. Okay, they can able to ask, also we can able to ask, so we can becoming as a discussion platform. The next one is the action and the health education should be as per family time schedule. It should not be our timing, that is community health timing and all. So we can able to before inform those family members whether when you are all are together. Okay, so get together time we can able to give a little time for the discussion for the family health as well as the environmental health. We will be taking the appointment for that one. Then this helps to provide effective teaching as we can, helping them in can able to build a good healthy lifestyle and making a good rapport between those people. An emphasis should be given on practical more often the theoretical. So what we are theoretically telling, okay, so it should be implemented towards the people. So before that, as a nurse, maintain the politeness and maintain a good rapport between those people. Then only we can able to understand their problem, needs of the people, and how we can able to plan the condition, and how we can able to get put on action to those people, whether it is an effective evaluation or a non-effective evaluation. So if it is a good rapport and all, we can able to achieve a goal to nursing care services which we have given. Next one is follow through. It is one of the most important step in the home visit. Follow those already which we has planned and implemented to the peoples. So far the objectives is fulfilled already, the fulfillment is was there, so we can able to follow up those peoples. It also helps to find out how far the instruction, suggestion and action were followed. Okay, so after implementation or action of nursing care services, we can able to evaluate that one. So we can evaluate with the help of the follow-up, so recurrent follow-up care, so whether the peoples they are following our instructions or not. Okay, then appreciate if they done and well, and if not done properly, find out the causes. Okay, so some people they will be doing in them, so whatever our health education they will be following that one, some may not will be following, and we will be seeing. Okay, so whether they has done means we should appreciate those people, and those who are not done, why, what is the cause for the why they has not done the nursing care services to solve their problem. It gives an idea for planning for the next visit. So once it is solved in one of the family their problems, means it will be giving an encouragement for the nursing care services for a community health nursing for a next home visit. Next one is evaluation for a services. So for evaluation services, review each family record periodically and answer the following questions. So periodic wise we will go for giving as a checking of family members, and also you should give a record book for the family wise, that is family folder should be there, and give the answer to the following questions. Then what is the immediate problem? Okay, immediate problem and the needs, so those also you should mention in that one. So what about the total problems in that family, and list out the difficulties and hindering factors in the situations, and list the helpful and supporting factors, that is copying mechanism in the family, so whether they are cooperating in their family, all the family members, availability of the resources is there in the family. So what has been done about the immediate problem, then but they should know some of the first aids, and also you can able to give the health education there regarding the problems. Then what plan of being made, okay, what action to be done for understanding the cause about the particular problem, and what about the response, personal response of the community health visit. So what changes look pace, okay, so after the home visit, whether they are following means they are achieving the goal, okay, so we can able to understand so whether they are achieved goal or not achieved goal, okay, so how far the visit has been useful for those peoples, okay. So as a rating wise, we can able to give the evaluation services. Do you need guidance, counseling, suggestions from the superior nursing services or healthcare services? The result of the community health services is not always be immediate. It will take time to give for the problem solving. So all those things we can able to make it in a section, and we can evaluate for our services as like a rating, okay. So after the particular services, we are giving a rating for the particular services. And the last one is explain the home visit bag, okay. So it is also one of the essential step for the home visit. The major objective of the healthcare services is the home is to help the people in their health problem and work with them towards keeping the family healthy, okay. The purpose of the bag is carrying out necessary equipments to perform the nursing care in the home, okay. So what you can able to do here means, we with the help of the bag we can able to give the appropriate cares, okay. So in the bag, a home visit bag thing, we will be having certain equipments will be there and conducting delivery, okay. So maybe as performing minor dressings, conducting deliveries, we are having some small equipments as well as some instruments are there in the uh, our community bag, okay. So explain, while we are going for a home visit, we will be explaining about the bag, okay. Sorry, here one mistake was there. So visiting the bag, so it's a bag only. So I'll be correcting, I'll send for the notes, okay. So it saves time and effort in performance of a nursing procedure, okay. So it will be saving. So so you are knowing at currently the person is having some injuries there, first aid we can give, so that kit also will be there along with the community bag, okay. So some of the minor dressings and for the conduction of the delivery and all, where delivery kit and all will be there in the community bag. And for the analysis of the blood, so HB testing, or then urine analysis, and for checking for albumin content and the sugar content in the urine, and we can able to check, and thermometer, the temperature technique we can able to do. So these are the some of the experiments which can be done with the help of the community bag. So inside the bag, so these are the some solutions will be there, some instruments will be there, dressing pad will be there, and we are using for the for the experiments about the minor dressings, urine analysis, and also the sugar test, and we can able to do, okay. So we will be explaining all those things. So we has, so up to this one, so we has learned. So what are the things we learned today means, it's unit number 6.1 in the community health nursing. So only the home visit is there, first one. So we have seen what is home visit and what is the purpose about the home visit, what are the principles about the home visit, and what are the steps for the home visits. Hope you has understood. So if you are having any doubt means, you can able to ask me personally. So thank you.